Alright, listen, if your meme coin account keeps on shrinking, there's a good chance it's not because of your bad setups, it's because of your revenge trading. Revenge trading doesn't feel dramatic, it's happening, and it feels justified in a way, until you lose your account. You take a loss, maybe you got in late, maybe the coin rugged, maybe you just misread it. Either way, you're down, that's the thing. Right, now your focus is shifting, you're not thinking, is it a good trade? You're thinking, hey, can I make my money back? You know, the shift is what destroys accounts, I'm not gonna lie to you, and no one really talks about that, which is so weird to me. Here's how it actually plays out. You lose one trade, annoying but manageable, right? Instead of stepping away, you immediately start scanning for the next coin, you enter fast or whatever that's usual, and you don't wait for confirmation. Your portion size might even be slightly bigger so you can make back the money that you lost, which is crazy. You tell yourself it's a part of the plan, right? But it's not. At all. It's emotion. Then if your trade loses too, it gets worse. Now you're frustrated, maybe even angry, and at that point, discipline is gone. You're just reacting to price action absolutely frying and taking your bread from you. Meme coins are already volatile, but if you combine volatility with emotional decisions, it's not a good mix. It's a really, really bad mix. Revenge trading turns a normal red day basically into needing to spend more money and buy more crypto for your account. First, you need an actual hard daily limit. You need a hard routine. If you risk 2% per trade, maybe your next daily loss limit should be 4% or 6% of your account, right? If you hit that number, you stop. You stop! Second, build a cooldown rule, right? If you take a loss, wait at least 15 minutes before you can even consider taking another entry. Not watching the chart, not hovering over buy, step away. Most revenge trades happen within minutes of the first loss. Third off, for sure, separate your identity from the trade. A losing trade does not mean that you're bad. It means that the trade just didn't work. That's it. That just means the trade didn't work. You can always come back. There will always be another day. There will always be another day for you to come back into the markets. There will always be another setup. There will always be stuff. There will always be stuff. But when you take loses, personality comes over your actual trading mentality. You feel like you're going to need to prove something to the market. You don't. Your market absolutely blows your back out. The market does not care. Discipline is in meme coins. It's not about catching every pump. It's knowing when to stop. Some of you best traders out there will be good and stuff like that, but there will be days where you get stopped out early and protect your capital, you protect your account. If you feel the urge to make it back, that's your signal to close the app, genuinely. Because once you're trading to recover instead of trading your plan, your account is already in danger. Revenge trading feels powerful in a moment, but long term, it's one of the fastest ways to kill your progress. Control that and the results instantly improve. I have my own free Discord where I teach people about growing their mentality and getting better and giving them routines and stuff like that, as well as a paid version where I actually give you one-on-one time. I DM you, I make sure that you're actually keeping up with that schedule, especially if you constantly break your rules. You can check it out, it's completely free to start, and no one else does this, so you should at least give it a shot.